Hi guys, my name is Anubhav Mishra. So I'm from India and I applied to UCLA Anderson because I was interested in tech. So some of the other colleges that I took a shot at was UC Berkeley and MIT Sloan because they're like really good for tech. So finally I chose UCLA Anderson because I like the Los Angeles area. There is the beach, there's the weather. You can always go for the weather here. And apart from that, the best course that I liked here in last 3 months of my studies, this data and decisions course. It actually helps you make business decisions using data.
So basically, where did you do your undergrad?
So I did my undergrad in National Institute of Technology, Rourkela. So it's in India.
NIT. NIT is a very competitive get into, right?
Yeah.
And how many years work experience did you have?
So I had 5 years of work ex.
In which company?
Initially, I joined Sony and worked for 2 years, and then I switched over to Samsung, worked for their TV division for 3 more years. So I'm an engineer by profession, and I'm planning to take up product management in the future.
I see. So, so you applied to 3 universities, right? Yeah. So where did you have offers of admission?
So I got into UCLA Anderson. In terms of GMAT, I guess I was lacking a bit for UC Berkeley and MIT. So I had a 720 GMAT. So even in UCLA, this is like one of the lowest GMATs that I have.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh, so you got only in UCLA?
Yeah. Right.
I see. So then what about your TOEFL?
So TOEFL I had 116.
I
so
see.
29, 29, 29, 29.
Okay. So what are you doing? Any like specialization here?
Yeah, so I'm planning to pursue product management. So I'm looking at the tech space here. So I'm taking up all the courses that are related to tech, data.
Okay. So which are your favorite courses?
So we haven't yet done much of the courses here because it's just been 2 months. But I really like the data and decision course here because that actually taught us how to take decisions based on statistics. So
I see.
like
so, like, do you have any funding, scholarship here?
No, I don't have any.
So your parents are supporting you, or you?
No, basically UCLA provides a non-cosigner loan, so I've taken up that loan in order to pay for my.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. And
is that like a lower rate of interest than the loans in India?
Yeah, it's definitely lower rate of interest than loans in India, but it's higher rate of interest than the federal loans available here.
Oh, so can you tell us the rate of interest if you don't mind?
It's 7% plus 3-month LIBOR rate, so it varies between 7 to 8.
I see. But because in India it must be about 12 to 13%.
Yeah, it's easily around 12 to 13.
Oh, not many people know about this, right?
Yeah. So basically, if there was no non-cosigner loan, I wouldn't have applied to this university in the first place. UC Berkeley and MIT Sloan also offers for the same loan.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. And so did you make a lot of friends here after coming here?
Yeah, I've made maybe around 100, I would say.
I see.
In 3 months.
Okay.
So yeah, people are very approachable here and.
So do you live with roommates?
Yeah, I have a roommate back from India itself because we paired up back in India and because of the common food.
How did you meet in India?
So I was working in Bangalore. He also stayed in Bangalore, and then we had this Indian group where 16 of us were there in the common WhatsApp group, and finally all the Bangalore guys ended up meeting in a common meetup. So,
oh, I see. Yeah, that's very good. So did you also fly together?
Yeah, we flew together, but I did not fly with my roommate. I flew with 4 other people, so they were also from Bangalore.
I see. Okay. So, what is the placement like? Most companies, the people get jobs from campus recruitment.
Yeah, so there is on-campus recruiting, there is beyond campus recruiting.
Which are some of the famous top companies that come here for campus?
So you have Amazon, you have Apple, you have Adobe, Microsoft. Facebook is one which doesn't come. You have Google, which comes.
Why Facebook doesn't come?
Because Facebook doesn't take interns as such. For full time, I'm not very sure if it comes or not.
I see. So, on a 5-star rating, so far, how would you rate your experience?
So I would rate it around 4, I would say. Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, because again, I'm getting used to the American culture here. So.
Okay. Yeah. So, thank you very much and best of luck for your future career.
Thank you.